wanted to make sure that I could find somebody that was, not only technically competent, but also somebody who, possessed the rare combination of technical skill and artistry. I felt that my expectations were managed from beginning to the very end of the process as well. I understood what was taking place every step of the way, whether it was, what the process entailed from a technical aspect, and then also, at least for me, from a financial aspect. I run a luxury business, so I understand that luxury is actually in the details. And so from the moment that I walked in, my impression of this business was fantastic. I could tell that whoever's operating this business really cares about the details, whether it's the well-appointed lobby or the friendly staff, no detail was left unturned. Friends and family asked me, why do you keep smiling? And I said, I'm making up for 31 years of not smiling. And as cliche as it sounds, you really don't have an understanding of how impactful smiling can be on your day-to-day and your overall life. And I get up every morning with a greater degree of confidence and excitement. Without a doubt, I can definitely recommend Dr. Obeid. You can leave me with a stack of cards.